Hey there boys and girls! I'll now demonstrate to you on how hydrological cycle actually works. This experiment is very easy and you can actually do it at home. All you need is a large transparent bowl, a smaller transparent bowl, hot water, salt, a couple of ice cubes, and a cling wrap. Now let's start. First, we'll need to make our ocean. Take your hot water and pour it into your large bowl. Be careful as it's a very hot water. Right. Next, we need to take a little bit of salt and give it a little stir. Now, take the smaller bowl and put it in the middle of the large bowl like this. This smaller bowl will act as our land. Now let's start making our clouds. Take your cling wrap and wrap it all over your large bowl. Make sure that there are no gaps in between, like this. Now, take the couple of ice cubes and put it on top of your clouds. This ice cube will act as your cold atmosphere. In order for us to see how precipitation works or produced, we'll need to wait at least about 10 minutes or so. See you after this.
A few minutes later.
Time's up. So, once the hot water from the ocean evaporates, we can actually see condensation happening on the clouds. After that, it'll produce precipitation with the mixture of cold atmosphere. On the side of the bowls, you can actually see the precipitation happening. In order to see how much precipitation we have on land, let us wait for another 5 minutes before we wrap up our clouds and cool atmosphere.
5 minutes later.
Before unwrapping your clouds, take away all those cold atmosphere or your ice away from the clouds. As you can see now, there's a mound of puddles on top of here. So, I advise you to take a piece of cloth just to wipe it off a little bit. Okay. So while unwrapping your clouds, there are no more puddles. Be careful. Okay, now let us see how much of precipitation did we got on land. See, it might not be much, but this is the precipitation that we managed to get within the span of 15 minutes. Alrighty boys and girls, I now hope that you have a better understanding on how hydrological cycle actually works. Back to you, Najiha.